Here we've got OnePlus Nord, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the phone dialer, tap on the more icon and select the settings. Here you'll notice blocked numbers, and now you can smoothly block all unknown callers if you want to, just by tapping on the switcher, or you can manually add some number. So just click on add a number, and here you can enter the number that should be blocked. Tap on block, and as you can see now, it is on your block list. Then, whenever you would like to remove this number from your blacklist, tap on the cross icon, select unblock, and that's it. So let's go back, because you can also block some particular contact. Just pick some contact that you would like to block, and now tap on more icon. Here you will find block numbers, mark it, and confirm that you want to block this contact. And from now on, this contact, this friend of yours, will not be able to reach you. To unblock it, just tap on the more icon and click on unblock numbers and confirm it. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.